Welcome to Designfusion's Solid Edge blog. This is the final part of a three-part series introducing you to what's new in Solid Edge 2026. In part 3, we'll look at the translator enhancements and the new walkthrough command. In today's dynamic engineering and manufacturing landscape, efficiency, seamless collaboration, and robust data exchange are not just advantages, they are necessities. Solid Edge 2026 brings 3 powerful features within our Siemens solutions that significantly enhance these aspects, empowering you to work smarter and more collaboratively. We'll explore how these capabilities streamline your processes and open new avenues for integrated design. The DSTV export function solves a common challenge in structural steel design. Previously, users needed workarounds or third-party tools to generate DSTV format files. The new implementation enables direct export of structural steel and frame part models to DSTV format. Users can work with standard profiles without dealing with conversion issues. The system connects directly with CNC machinery for saw, drill, and flame cutting operations. For increased efficiency, the export process can be automated through macro support and batch operations. This direct export method reduces the steps between design and fabrication, which is particularly beneficial for those working with automated manufacturing systems. The section view handling system now incorporates comprehensive functionality. Let's see an example of our enhanced section view functionality in Solid Edge 2026. The process begins with a new capability called Storing Section Geometry for Translation. After enabling this option, the section creation workflow becomes straightforward and purposeful. Using the section by plane command, you can create precise section views of any assembly. When you're ready to share this data, the system now provides a specific option during step file export. You can choose to export only the section bodies rather than the entire assembly. This selective export process effectively removes all non-essential components from the shared file. When the recipient opens the resulting step file, they see exactly what you intended, only the components that exist within the defined section view. This targeted approach serves 2 practical purposes. It streamlines the file size by excluding unnecessary data, and it provides recipients with precisely the geometric information they need for their specific tasks. New in Solid Edge 2026 is the ability to open and import Revit files. These Revit files can be imported as internal components or can be opened separately and then inserted into the Solid Edge assembly. The system provides configurable import settings that allow users to control surface stitching parameters, manage solid conversion processes, and maintain precise geometry control. Through standard CAD Direct protocols, the integration maintains data fidelity throughout the import process. This implementation enables manufacturing designers to work directly with architectural data, streamlining the workflow, particularly in equipment layout and infrastructure projects. The system maintains geometric accuracy while eliminating the need for intermediate file conversion steps. These new features in Solid Edge 2026 address specific technical requirements: standardized manufacturing output, precise technical documentation, and cross-platform compatibility. Each implementation reduces workflow steps and improves accuracy in daily operations. At Siemens, we understand that design is more than just creating models. It's about experiencing them. With Solid Edge 2026, we're revolutionizing how engineers interact with complex assemblies. Imagine navigating through intricate designs as if you're walking through a real-world space. Our breakthrough walkthrough command solves a critical challenge engineers face: visualizing large, complex models from a first-person perspective. Whether you're using a keyboard, mouse, or even an Xbox controller, you can now explore your designs with unprecedented freedom. But this isn't just about movement. Our walkthrough feature allows you to record fly-through paths, which can be seamlessly integrated into the animation editor. These animations can later be exported from Solid Edge or taken into KeyShot. This means you can create dynamic presentations, conduct immersive design reviews, and communicate your vision with clarity. Solid Edge 2026. Where design meets discovery and innovation transforms into reality through powerful engineering precision. Empowering engineers, designers, and creators with intuitive workflows and breakthrough capabilities, one comprehensive walkthrough at a time. Want to learn more? Sign up to our customer portal at the website shown on this slide, where you have access to knowledge-based articles, tips and tricks, how-to articles, and much more. If you require additional support, you can contact our support team at support@designfusion.com or call us at 1-8772-151-883.